Today we start our second part of third chapter materials in our daily life on page 45 and 46. Today we discuss mainly two types of synthetic fibers like polyesters and acrylic fibers. The first one is polyesters. It is a polymer and also it is made from product of petroleum. So it is called petrochemical product. Most of the synthetic fibers are petroleum products like nylon, polyesters and acrylic fibers. These fibers are petrochemical products. Now we discuss the polymer polyesters. The monomer of polyester is ester. This is the ester group. The structure of monomer ester is like this. That is COO group. The monomer ester can be written as COO like this also. Any such monomers join to form polyester. The meaning of poly is multiple, that means many. This is the structure of polyester. Look at this, COO group is attached. Now we discuss some characteristic features of polyester. Polyester clothes are durable. They are water and wrinkle resistant. It is used for making dresses, curtains, clothes, etc. Polyesters are used to make different fibers like terrycloth and terry wool. What is terrycloth? It is a fiber which is the mixture of terylene and cotton. Terry wool is a mixture of wool and terylene. Polyester is used for making sails for sailboats. It is also used to make conveyor belt. The next synthetic petrochemical product fiber is acrylic fibers. It can be called as acrylon or orion. The monomer of acrylic fiber is acrylonitride. This is a structure of monomer acrylonitride. It has 3 carbon atoms, 3 hydrogen atoms and 1 nitrogen atom. These fibers look like wool. They are very light and also they are very soft. These fibers are resistant to weathering. They resemble like woolen fiber. Now let us move to its uses. Acrylic fibers are used for making sweaters, blanket and shawls. Now we are going to discuss an activity that shows the effect of flame on different kinds of fibers. The materials required for the activities are cotton, rayon, wool, silk, nylon, polyester and acrylic fibers and also spirit lamp, fire tongs and clay or china dish. Now light the spirit lamp and place it on the table. Hold a cotton fiber with the tongue and show it over the flame till it catches fire. And note down the observations. The observation includes type of flame, smell and the formation of residue. Here the residue meaning formation of ash after burning. Once the fiber catches fire, shift this burning fiber into the china dish and then we have to note the observations. Now you are going to do the same activities with rayon, wool, silk, nylon, polyester and acrylic fibers and note down the observations. Now let's move to see some advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fibers. First, let us discuss advantages of synthetic fibers. These fibers have a lustrous property. What does the meaning of luster? Luster means shine. Thus, synthetic fibers are having shiny appearance. They do not turn yellow as time goes. They are very easy to clean and dry quickly. They do not shrink. No ironing is required. Synthetic fibers are durable and less expensive. Now let us see some disadvantages of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers easily catch fire and they easily melt and burn to produce beads like structure. Synthetic fibers are uncomfortable in summer season because they cannot absorb sweat. They easily get charged in dry weather, which causes skin problem to the persons. Synthetic fibers are pollutants because they are non-biodegradable material. Here are the certain properties and uses of synthetic fibers. This is a homework for you. You have to learn by yourself.